All right, today we are going to be unboxing the K40 Platinum 100 radar detector. This radar is really awesome. Let's take down this package here. You can actually, if you wanted to, you could always wire in 3 diffusers to the front of your vehicle with this radar. That's an extra package though, but today what we're going to be going over is just the portable Platinum 100 radar. So let's open this thing up. So this radar works very well. You can go in, turn your K-band off, on, turn your KA on or off, turn your X-band for all your stores and all that stuff. You can go and set this device up however you want to make it go off as little as possible depending on your driving habits and where you drive. So this device here, they actually come with a ticket-free guarantee. So if you buy this radar and you register it with K40, you'll get a ticket-free guarantee, which means whenever you're driving and you get pulled over and they write you a ticket for speeding, K40 will pay your ticket. So that's a really cool feature. That's, I mean, one ticket will pay for your radar normally. So these radars are going for $549. And let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. So we've got a suction cup. It'll go to your window and it will actually go on this radar. Like so. You can loosen this off, put it on your window, adjust it however you want. And then we've got this fancy little power cord. We'll just rip this off. You've got a power cord for your cigarette lighter, and it's longer so you can run it up through your headliner or wherever you would like to run it. Comes with an extra fuse in case it blows for some reason. And then we've got just your portable cigarette lighter plug-in where you can move this device from car to car. And it also comes with an extra fuse in case it was to blow or anything like that. So if you're interested in these radars, you can purchase from the link below or give us a call and we can fix you up. And don't forget, register it for your ticket-free guarantee. Thank you.